Get them all out now.
We're gonna cut this, right?
That's what you think. So, let's get started.
All right. Welcome back, Jake.
Oh, welcome back to you too.
So, what does miss mean in English if it's not the same as mistake?
Well, actually, miss has a lot of different meanings and common uses. So let's just go through the most popular ones now. The first one, miss means the opposite of attend. So, for example, I missed the party.
Oh, and attend means to go to something, right?
Exactly.
So, for example, I missed the meeting.
Right.
I didn't go to it.
A similar meaning is the opposite of catch. So, for example, I missed the train.
Miss can also mean the opposite of hit. So we could say, Otani missed the baseball.
I guess that can happen sometimes. Or how about the dart missed the bullseye?
That's a good one.
And a fourth way that we use miss is as the opposite of notice or see. So, for example, did you see that bird?
No, I missed it. Did you watch the game on TV last night?
No, I was working, so I missed that too.
That's too bad. My team won.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was a good game. Finally, we also use miss to talk about the feeling we have when we want to see someone or something. When we feel nostalgic about something.
Right, like, I miss my family in Canada.
Or, I miss eating buffalo-style chicken wings in New York.
Yeah, those are delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, and before I forget, we can also use miss after the verb be to show that something is not there. Like, my smartphone is missing.
Or, I'm missing my wallet.
Oh. You robbed or something?
The only one here is you, Jake. Bum bum bum.
Alright, so. To sum up, miss has many meanings, including not to hit, not to see, not to go to, not to catch, and to notice the loss or absence of.
How are we going to remember all of that?
Hopefully by doing some practice.
Alright, and how's that going to work?
Well, I'll give you a sentence like, I was not on time for the bus. And you're going to replace the bolded part with miss.
So I should say, I missed the bus. And it has the same meaning.
Perfect. Let's go.
Number 1. I want to see my brother. He lives in Canada now.
Really? Number 2. I shot the basketball, but I did not hit the hoop.
Number 3. Oh no. My train pass is not here.
It's a disaster. Number 4. Hey, did you notice that sign just now?
No, I did not notice it.
Number 5. I could not go to the karaoke party last week.
Number 6. Takashi did not catch the baseball.
Number 7. You saw my email, right?
No, I didn't see it. Number 8. Yumi almost failed to catch her airplane.
Number 9. We have to hurry, or we'll be late for the train.
All right, Jake. Well, thank you for that explanation and those great examples. Did you get them all? I did.
Yeah. I guess that's because you never make mistakes in English.
Well, actually, I might have missed one or two.
Alright. Well, if you practice, you won't miss any of them. So, thank you very much for tuning in today, and join us again next week for some more tips and tricks to improve your English.
Yeah. Like and subscribe, it would really help us out.
Please.
See you next time.
See you then.